Aloha everyone. It looks like the stock market has entered escape velocity, so we should be able to continue to move higher. If not, I assume any pullback now is going to be bought. Every dip will be bought. IWM is outside of its long-term upper trend channel. I assume at the worst it could pull back to the 50-day moving average, but I, it was such a powerful move on Wednesday that I just don't see this being reversed anytime soon anywhere in the market, but we'll see. I could be wrong, but there's a ton of setups. So first off, I can't go into everything. Just know that everything we're about to go through right now is either can slim or perfect speculator quality, and I'll say what it is. The limit orders and the stops, you're going to have to look up on the new positions page. I've listed them all. I do not have time to put them there. I just want to tell you a little bit about each one. STE is in my can slim quality stock. It's extended from the 20-day moving average. So if you have to put money to work in a safe stock, this is kind of one, because there's not a whole lot of inherent risk compared to the potential reward, but also the upside isn't as big as some of the other ones we're going to go through. And more importantly, STE is a little extended from its 20-day moving average. Well, not extended. The intraday real body, the 5, 10, and 20-day moving average is not inside of it. It's all on the lower wick. That means it's slightly extended short term. So it's not perfect. So it's going to be half of a position for me. But overall, solid uptrend. Good looking stock. Almost everyone looks like this, but this one's a little extended, so it's not completely safe. MGPI, can slim and perfect speculator quality. Interactive Brokers knocked me out of this stock. I believe it was back here in May when my stops triggered on it. I think I would have been knocked out of all of it anyway when it pulled back here, so it doesn't matter. But this is basically an ad signal. It's perfect speculator and can slim quality. This is one of the lower risk, higher potential reward positions. You can see that, you know, ABCD, ABCD, ABCD pattern continuously form. So this is probably a safe one for new traders to take if you're not, you know, if you're worried about losing money. This is definitely a good one. EPZM is from my perfect speculator scan. This one's too risky, I believe, for everyone. Just want to let you know how I'm going along and show you the chart pattern. First stop, second stop, but it was in my max stream bop for 5-day scan, price volume bop surge scan, and in my perfect speculator scan, but it's not the safest one. KOHU, oh my God, I just ate a gnat that was flying around in the air. That's crazy. KOHU, perfect speculator, can slim quality, and in my price volume bop scan, but once again, it's very risky actually because it's extended from the 20-day moving average, and it was up over 5% today. Super tight stops. First cut loss, second cut loss. Bottom line, KOHU, not going to give it much room to work against me. There's just better patterns out there. I just like it though because it's perfect speculator and can slim quality, so it's a double whammy. GTN, perfect speculator quality, can slim quality. This is one of the better stocks to get long. It's slightly extended from its 20-day moving average, but it's not that bad. In fact, 2, 4, 5. Yep. Okay, so I knew it was extended. Okay, cool. I thought that I was given an asset allocation. Like it wasn't extended, but it is extended. Still, it's a pretty good one since the 20-day moving average is right there, basically lined up with the previous low. So this is a good one to get long if you're a new investor. Clear cut support level right here. Big previous, as you can see, uptrend. So that's why GTN is long. Can slim, perfect speculator quality. Also confirm the price volume bop surge scan. SBVP, you can see the longer term uptrend from 230 to 730. Really nice looking technical pattern. Bounce right off the 50-day moving average on strong volume with an increase in BOP, high day close. I like SBVP. It's one of the safer lower price stocks to go long, especially if you use this as your one and only cut loss level. So this is one that I bless if you want to go get long a low price stock if you're a new trader. The inherent risk is really low on this one. CTMX, little extended. Just wanted to show you the chart pattern. I got a big cup pattern here and a handle, kind of a high handle. It's kind of wedging, ascending base higher, but still I like all the pocket pivot point signals and the strong green bop to go along with the recent price action. So that's why CTMX is new long for my perfect speculator scan. Cool for my perfect speculator scan. This is one that's probably quote quote safe enough for new traders to take. Big previous uptrend, obviously. This thing ran from 350 to 26. Look at just look at the move from here to here. 751%, and your first cut, let's say that all hell breaks loose and you risk about 11%. So we're looking at right around a 70 to 1 reward to risk ratio. Yeah, good enough for me. So cool's a pretty good one for new traders also. Make sure though that you obey this level here and this level here if you decide to get long as your stops. I listed them in the new positions page. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. CACQ, same similar situation, extended, pretty nice stock. It was in my perfect speculator scan, used to be cancelum quality, first cut loss level, second cut loss level where the green bop ends, pocket pivot point signal, it's a little extended, so not a good trade overall for new traders, and then experienced traders, make sure you reduce size because of the extension. PIRS, a little extended too. You can see 20-10-5, not touching the inside of the real body. Whoops. But the longer term chart pattern, beautiful long-term uptrend. Stock's gone from about 1 to 5. If you just do this measured move here, you're looking at a 200% previous move. And let's say all hell breaks loose and it really gaps down, you're risking 7% for anywhere from a 100 to 200% potential move if the stock decides to do a measured move like its previous uptrend. That's an ad signal. I'll take that anytime. Also, VJET is an ad signal. New long position yesterday. Another bullish hammer candle over candle reversal price bar on above average volume. So definitely adding to VJET. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I forgot the VSTM buyback ad. So VSTM buyback ad signal. It's not the best, looking pattern. Kind of hard to even see it here. I don't like the tails that it's giving me at the top and bottom of the range. I kind of wanted to show you to make it more accurate. There we go. Still, whatever. You can see though that it held the previous lows. So if I want to get long, VSTM limit order 472 with my ad signal. First cut loss level, that low 434, and then of course the gap fill at 410 will be my final cut loss level. But what a day. I've been working ever since the market closed at 10 a.m. As you can see on this bar right here, it's 8:48 Maui time. From 10 a.m. to 8:48 p.m. I've been on this computer. So if you want to know why there's a short update, that's why. And if you want to know why I will not have any new positions analysis tomorrow or a video lesson, that's why. Way too many positions now. I am now overextended completely. I am now holding way too many positions. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm in the middle of beta testing. Once again, my smallest position per trade is $500. My largest per trade is going to be $10,000. I pay $1 commission no matter if I put $10,000 in a trade, no matter if I put $500 in a trade. And since I live on Maui, I can trade like this. Not everybody else can. I always recommend 10 stocks, 10% each. If you're going to go for the more speculative, more volatile names, 20 stocks, 5% each. I would never invest less than that if you're a new investor, especially if you pay more than $1 in commission. Whereas I'm always going to pay $1. It's never going to be more or less for me. It's just always going to be $1 because Interactive Brokers is built for people like me that trade like a hedge fund. But anyway, I'm going to wrap it up there. I'm dead tired. I haven't even posted anything on StockTwits. Maybe I'll give them a couple of new long positions, but I got to go, everyone. I'll see you in the chat room pre-market. Aloha.